During our programme of discovery, finding out what the celebrities do to stay looking so fabulous, flawless, fit, toned and perfect, we're going to be talking about body treatments, and I've come along to the Cosmetic Skin Clinic in Buckinghamshire, talking to the wonderful Dr. Tracy Mountford about celebrity bodies. So Dr. Mountford, we've explored during the programme lots of treatments and products and procedures that get that ultimate celebrity style body. We've looked at fitness and food and all sorts of things, but CoolSculpting is quite interesting. Tell me, why are so many people and celebrities flocking to have this treatment?
I think people find the CoolSculpting concept so appealing because it involves no surgery. It literally is a procedure. You can walk in, have the treatment done, walk out a couple of hours later and wait for the magic to happen, really. And it is a very, very low risk procedure which people are looking for nowadays.
Well, that's so important because especially celebrities don't have time between filming or modelling assignments or endorsements and commercials. So I imagine that having no downtime is massive appeal with this product.
Yes, it is. I think that's its biggest thing. I think the fact there's no downtime, you can go back to all your normal activities, and it's ideal for the people who actually just want to get rid of that little bit of muffin top, that little bit extra that they probably wouldn't have gone for surgical procedures for because it would just be too much. But actually they just want to refine their figure, reduce the fat. It's so simple, it really is unbelievable.
Well, it's therefore not difficult to understand why so many people in your clinic and generally worldwide are having this treatment. So tell us, is it painful?
It's a little bit uncomfortable at times. So when the applicator head first goes on, it feels quite pinchy. It does feel a little bit pinchy. I wouldn't say it's pain, but it's uncomfortable for about 5 minutes or so. After then, the treatment is completely painless. It feels a little tiny bit numb, but people just literally work, read, text, Skype, carry on with their normal sort of life while it's on. And once the machinery is actually then stopped and the treatment cycle has been completed, when the head comes off, it's again a little bit uncomfortable, particularly when we massage it. But after 5–10 minutes of massage, done, no problem at all, not uncomfortable.
So once you've localised the fat, Dr. Mountford, where does it actually go? Because so many people think, well, it's an amazing machine and you've localised a small amount of fat, but surely it goes somewhere.
Yeah, that's a really good point. It's something people ask because in the past fat reduction treatments have not been that successful that have been non-surgical. They've, fat's come back and people have just had to, expect that it won't work long term. The reason this technology works long term is that once the fat cell is completely destroyed by cryogenic freezing, it crystallises. The body then recognises that cell as being foreign material and breaks it down. So the body breaks down that fat cell, excretes it through the lymphatic system and out through the bowels, and actually, hey presto, that fat then is completely gone long term. It does not reform in those areas.
Well, that's fantastic. Well, you can see why there's such massive appeal. It's non-surgical. According to you, it's minimal downtime. So I can see the appeal with so many people. So tell me, Dr. Mountford, would you have this treatment yourself?
I've had it done.
Oh, wow.
I started off having it done on my inner thighs because I had thighs that weren't equal. They were, I had an asymmetric sort of look, and I used it to restore some symmetry. And then I'm afraid, like most things, if they work, you're a little bit addicted to them, a little bit hooked, in the nicest possible way. So I've had my muffin top done and my abdomen done, so I've had quite a lot done.
Well, you look absolutely fabulous.
Thank you.
So if you think that this treatment is for you, it's good enough for the celebrities, it's good enough for Dr. Tracy Mountford, why not give it a go?